Hello everyone, my name is Darshi Maru and I am from Magic Institute of Excellence. I have completed my graduation as well as post-graduation from BNN College. After when I was doing my MBA, I came across to Magic Institute of Excellence where they guided us that we can do our MBA along with the certifications, which will help us to guide and which will help us to gain weightage on our resume. So that was the very good thing which I came across, and I was very glad that if I could learn more apart from my MBA. So gaining MBA knowledge from my college was very in-depth, but having additional knowledge apart from my MBA, that was really very great, which I got from Magic Institute of Excellence. So Magic Institute of Excellence guided us not only with our knowledge, but also digital communication and personal in-depth, how to maintain our LinkedIn as well as how to face an online interview. This helped us and guided us and motivated us more for our career. They also took us our mock interviews, which helped us and guided us where and how to deal with the online interviews and how to face the pressure for that interviews. So that was really very in-depth, having personal knowledge, having personal assistance for our career and getting in back with our career. So this was very great decision for me for entering into this institute and giving my certifications and adding it into my resume. I am placed in Linedata today and I'm very happy and success. I hope I will be successful in my life. Thank you.